Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Kind of want to show you the display we've got setting up here, kind of give you an idea of what comes in a roof kit. You can figure it's going to be less than $5 a square foot for everything to put it on the roof. That's all your 16-foot 6x6 post. That's 3 foot in the ground, 13-foot heave height out here to the end. And then you can see it's going to have overhang past the post. And then the truss is going to set down about a foot on the inside. So if you're needing like 12-foot wall clearance down the side and it's 13 foot out here, it's going to be 13 down the wall. Then it's going to go up on that 412 pitch with the stabilizer bar. We got the heights for that. So you got that headroom that you're looking for on our trusses. It's going to be with all the metal roofing, all the trim, all the 40-year warranty metal that we sell. Comes any color. The copper penny is a little bit more expensive than anything else, but all your basic colors, it doesn't matter. The Galvalume, anything that you're looking for. That's going to be with your ridge cap. That's going to be with your gable rake and corner trim, all your eave trim, your fascia trim on the sides to cover all the lumber around the top. And we use 2x6 yellow pine prime #2 purlins. It's got 4 good sides. A lot of people out there just use any kind of 2x6 purlins, but we like to have the best. For that reason, so you got 4 good square corners. And then that's going to be your trusses, any size up to 50-foot clear span. We make 60s. We've got 50s that are printed up to that size. So anything that you're looking for, we ship nationwide. We'll ship you just the trusses. We'll ship you just the metal, whatever you're looking for. So we can do it all. But visit us at StroudsBuildingSupply.com. StroudsBuildingSupply.com, or call me, Mike Stroud, 828-413-4201, and I can give you a breakdown. We completely enclose them too, like a box on the ground. You can figure less than $8 a square foot for that. That's the roof, the sides, the corners, everything. Insulation for the roof and the walls. That's not doors and windows, but that's everything else. So give us a call, 828-413-4201. We ship nationwide. God bless you.